Today we're going to be making Chulitos de Yuca con Queso, which are Arepitas de Yuca filled with some yummy cheese. So first things first, we're actually going to peel our yuca, and you want to make sure to take off the skin and then take out the vein from the middle. We're not going to grate it very finely, and you want to make sure that you have this texture just like you see right here. We're not going to season it with some anise seeds, some sugar. We're also going to be adding a pinch of salt, some eggs, and we're going to mix it together until it's well combined. Now we're now going to form our chulitos in our hands, and we want to make sure to place the cheese in the middle, and then we're going to form almost like a little mini cigar. We're gonna fry it on high, and once they're nice and golden brown just like you see here, you know that they're ready. And the full recipe is on my website and on my YouTube channel. Buen provecho, guys!